Running social media for a small marketing team can feel like a juggling act. You are switching between platforms, planning content, and trying to stay consistent, all while managing client requests and campaigns. That is where social scheduling tools come in. Two of the biggest names in this space are Hootsuite and Buffer. Let's start with Hootsuite. Hootsuite is one of the oldest and most feature-rich social media management platforms out there. It is designed to handle everything from scheduling and analytics to engagement and collaboration, all in one dashboard. For small teams, that centralization can be a huge time saver. With Hootsuite, you can connect multiple social networks like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. Then plan and publish posts across all of them from one calendar. The interface shows your scheduled content in an easy-to-read timeline, so you can spot gaps or overlaps instantly. You can also monitor comments, mentions, and messages without switching apps, which makes community management much smoother. What really stands out about Hootsuite is its analytics. You can track performance across platforms, measure engagement, and even export detailed reports for clients or internal reviews. For marketing teams that need data to guide strategy, those reports are invaluable. Hootsuite also shines in collaboration. You can assign roles, manage approvals, and set permissions so multiple people can work together without stepping on each other's toes. This makes it ideal for small teams that need structure without hiring a full social department. Now let's talk about Buffer. Buffer started as a simple scheduling tool but has evolved into a well-rounded platform designed specifically for ease of use. It focuses on helping small teams and creators plan, publish, and analyze social content without complexity. Buffer's interface is clean, minimal, and easy to learn. You can create posts for multiple platforms, preview how they will look, and drop them into your queue to publish automatically at the best times. The workflow feels natural, perfect for teams that value speed and simplicity. One of Buffer's biggest strengths is transparency. It is clear, straightforward, and does not hide features behind layers of menus. You get powerful scheduling tools, basic analytics, and engagement tracking without the clutter. For small teams, that simplicity keeps everyone focused on creating rather than managing software. Buffer also includes collaborative features like approval workflows and shared calendars, though they are lighter than Hootsuite's. Its analytics dashboard shows top-performing posts, follower growth, and engagement trends. While it is not as deep as Hootsuite's data suite, it covers everything most small teams need to measure success and adjust strategy. If your team values simplicity, speed, and affordability, and you just want to schedule content, review results, and keep things consistent, Buffer is the better fit. It does fewer things, but it does them exceptionally well. Both tools make managing social media far more efficient. Hootsuite gives you power and depth. Buffer gives you focus and flexibility. Either one will help your marketing team save time, stay organized, and keep your social presence consistent without the stress.